Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a very quick AliExpress haul. I just wanted to share with you guys a few packages that I received today. Nothing crazy, but I still wanted to share. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys are these super cute little stars with sequins inside them. And I had seen Kenzie Scraps post a bunch of these and I had to have some. I still don't know what I'm going to use them for, but you guys, these are beautiful. And I think they have hearts and other shapes. But look, you guys. And I think it was 12 pieces for $2 or $3. So it's like these little plastic shakers that you can just attach to a project or cut open and use the sequins. I would use them as is on projects. They are absolutely adorable. You guys, I'm obsessed. I need more. They're so cute. So I got those. And then for my little vinyl, the little vinyl pockets that I make, I want to do snaps on them instead of doing Velcro. So I picked up this little pack of mint green ones and this little pack of pink ones. And these were super cheap, of course, as everything is on AliExpress. And then the last thing, I told you this was a tiny haul, you guys, is this die set. And you guys, I've seen so many people post this dog balloon. And I found the die set. Everything will be linked down below, but you get so many pieces in this. Look how cute. I should have cut it, but I didn't. You get some candles. I will show a project with the little dog balloons. I'm probably going to make some embellishments. You get a heart. I think this says, I'm not even sure what that says because I can't read it. It's backwards. But I did pick up this die set. Check it out down below. But yeah, you guys, this is a super quick video showing you guys some super cute stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.